Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and today we're taking a look at Lords and Lands. This is the pack the GM screen comes for The Witcher tabletop RPG. On the front, this cool art. It comes with a little package. I believe that art's also on the little book that comes with it. But the GM screen has some great art. See here, we have knights riding in, sorcerers, folds out this way. Trying to keep the glare off as best I can. So that's the outside. Let's take a look at the inside of the sheet. We've got social standing, bonuses to melee damage, weapon effects, effect tables, actions, how they work on this middle screen here, how falling works. We have stabilizing criticals, how healing works, critical wounds, the fumbles, learning magic, and here it looks like how we do lodging and sorts of travel. So it looks like the panels are kind of separated to social, fighting, after fighting, / fumbles, and your pastimes. So that's a basic look at the actual DM screen itself. Inside also comes this Lords and Lands. So it looks like people of the continent, halfling race. So just some stats here on basics. Halflings. And a noble skill tree. Okay, so the noble skill tree I don't believe is in the actual core rulebook, so you do get a new class, it looks like. Though, nothing crazy. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about them having a full class in here that wasn't in the main thing. I had no clue that was in it when I got it, but at least it's something. I like the extra perk, but I kind of would like it in the main book, which I'll go ahead and review here in a second, but that'll be a different video. So thank you for taking a quick peek. That's what's on this. Take care.